In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a song video on lyrics and video composing using AI with less effort. I'm asking ChatGPT to write a 2-verse song on technology for me, and it has started generating our song. Additionally, I'm now requesting that ChatGPT write prompts to create all of the visuals for this song, and it has already begun to produce the instructions for creating AI images. Now open a new tab and search for lexica.art. Similar to Midjourney, it is an AI imaging tool, except this website allows for infinite image creation. Create an account with Google or by entering your email address. And now copy the prompts to generate images which are going to be used in our song. And you can see it has started generating images using our prompt. Now repeat the same process to generate all the images which are going to be used in our song. Simply copy the prompt, paste it here, and your AI image will be created. After generating all the images, let's save our images in the file directory. Now open a new tab and search for tuna.voicemode.net. It is our text-based AI music generating website. After creating the account on tuna.voicemode.net, just click on Upload a Sound and then click on Text to Song. After clicking on Text to Song, just pick up your song. You can also add your custom songs from different websites such as Epidemic Sounds. The second step is to choose your singer. After choosing your song, there are a number of singers including male and females on this website which will sing your song for free. Now step number 3 is to paste our song lyrics. Go to GPT and copy the first verse of our song and paste. Then click on Create Song, and within 2 minutes our songs will be ready. Repeat the same process for the remaining lyrics of our song. You can keep going back to the procedure until your song is finished because the website's trial version has a limit on how many lyrics can be generated. After completing the whole process, now it's time to convert our AI-generated images into video. Open another tab on Google Chrome and search for Caber.ai. It is also another AI video generating tool using images. By copying the URL in the description, you can spend up to 30 credits on this website without paying anything. Simply click the upload button after creating an account on this website and paste the first image that we've previously made using Lexica. Once you've described your topic and clicked continue, our video will be created in 2 minutes. Now repeat the same process for each image to generate it into video. After generating all the images into video, now it's time to compose our songs and videos. Create a new folder and paste all the downloaded video files and song files into it. Now open a new tab and search for Flex Clip. It is an online video editing tool. Select the ratio of the video and import all of the files from your local file directory. Paste all of the videos and music into the timeline. After finalizing the editing, click on Export and it will start downloading the video.